Race number 7 and the Rock. Cool reception. Hepburn moving a party outside. Mokai nose west in between runners. Then comes Speed Bullet. Flash away Elgin second last. Gold Asian and Red Hot Water. Past the 1,000 meters, we have Hepburn in command. Follows closely on the outside by Nose West. Speed Bullet Mokai running in between runners. Cool reception drops back in fifth. Then another 2 lengths back in sixth by the rail. Is entry number 3 Elgin running alongside Flash away. Second last Red Hot Water and a long way back to Gold Asian as they race towards the last 450. Nose West leading the field is Speed Bullet. Mokai is splitting horses as the action swing for home. 3 runners are fighting it out for the lead. Nose West, Mokai running at the center and on the outside is Speed Bullet with 150 to go. Nose West running in between runners. Cool reception is by the rail. Mokai once again on the outside, but Cool Reception now winning this race over Mokai. Nose West, Speed Bullet, Flash away for your Pentapecta.
Okay, crossing the wire